Okay, so I already opened the box, like, because, you know, I was fiending. But then I thought about it. Why not just, you know, show y'all what I got on camera? So, darling, you know you my darling. Even though I be working, baby, I can't see. Hey, guys. So, I know you're wondering, like, where you been? What the fuck is going on with you? Bitch, what a video. What a video. It's been like a couple weeks. What's going on with you? Well, not for nothing, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I was in this place where I didn't feel like making any videos. And when I was doing my makeup videos, they wasn't coming out right because I wasn't in the good headspace. Like, I really was going through it in my mind, and I just needed a break from everything. Like, I haven't been going on live. I haven't been really like responding to y'all or anything like that. You know, I was losing subscribers too. So, you know, whoever unfollowed me, whoever unsubscribed to me, I don't give a fuck because I'm back. Period. But yeah, I'm better. I'm in a good mood. I love it here. Like, I love it here. Alright, so y'all already know what we're going to do in today's video because, you know, y'all see the title. But, yeah, so we're just going to jump right into the video. Oh, before we jump into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, so you can never miss a video by me, because you know I'm back and I'm pulling out the videos again. They coming. Feel me? They coming. And yeah, y'all gonna start seeing me on live more often. So make sure y'all have that notification bell on, so when y'all know when I'm going on live, y'all join, y'all come, y'all pull up, y'all pull up. I don't know what the fuck I just did. Okay, so I already opened the box, like, because, you know, I was fiending. But then I thought about it. Why not just, you know, show y'all what I got on camera? So, Sephora. All right, so, voila. Yeah. We're going to start off with the Organs Mask and Go On The Go Mask and Must Have. So this is it. I got this for $12 online, I think. $12, but it retails for $20. No, they was having a sale. Sephora was having a sale. I have 5 masks, and one of them is Clear and Improvement. This one have a charcoal mask to clear the pores. All right. Matter of fact, let me take it out of the box. All right. On the back of the box, it tells you which each clay mask is. Alright, so, oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, very travel size. I need this. Alright, so this is the Clear and Improvement. This have active charcoal mask to clear pores. So yes, and then we have this greenish type of lime greenish yellowish type of thing. I think it's yellow, but I'm gonna say green. And this is called the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and some water. Ooh, I'm gonna use this one. And then we have the Original Skin, which is a retexturizing mask with rose clay. I've had this one before. I've got a sample of this one before. All right, so this company have a store right in Grand Central. I've used this before. I got this as a sample from the store itself. They have a store in Manhattan in Grand Central. So they have their own personal store. And me and my friend Lisa, we went and we got facials in there. Yes, they give free facials and stuff like that. So you should go. So that's how I got that sample. This one is Out of Trouble. It's a 10-minute mask to reduce problem skin. This is a cute mask. This is cute, okay? Like, and then the last one is the Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask, nourishment your skin. So wow, this is really good. Cannot wait to use them. Like, I'm really excited because I you know, I've been taking care of my skin again. Like, I've been taking care of my baby. Like, you know, the skin needs to look good. It needs to look great. All that. So yeah, that's the one of the stuff that I got. Hold on, let me text my sister back. The next product that I have, I'm sorry, my sister's making me laugh, is the Shake and Snot. And this is the product that I wanted this is it. So I seen everybody using it, you know, on Instagram. I've seen the little Instagram videos, and you know, I want to try it, and I seen it online, and this retailed for $12, and this was the original price. If I'm lying, my bad. I'll put the real price, but I paid $12 for this. This is, look how cute is the packaging. Like, this is so cute. Like, so cute. And then they have this. This is cute. This is very, very cute. They have like different kinds online. If I have the time, I will put, you know, it right here, that, you know, they have different kinds. But yeah, I chose to get the rubber brightening mask because I don't have acne, and I don't really have other problem, you know, skin. I really don't have that much, you know, to complain about my skin besides, you know, getting it clear and, you know, looking refreshed. So I chose to get the brightening mask, and I can't wait to use this. So I'm gonna show y'all what it look inside. You need this cup though, you need it. So it comes with the thing to make the mask, and then you put it in here and you shake it all up, and then you use the straw. This is the applicator, and you just whoop, 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 whoop. I think this could use 2 times, honestly. I think this mask used 2 times. I've seen somebody use it 3 times, but I mean, like, depends how much you put on. I'm gonna say 2 for me, unless like I put it in certain areas, but I want to use it for the whole face. So yeah. Why is the straw and that going back in this little fucker's mouth? Okay, here it is. That's what I really wanted. And then in here now we have the black eyeliner. This is what I really, really wanted, y'all. Like, y'all know I've been complaining. And then I have the Clinique take off makeup remover. I feel like this is oil. Let me see. I use my Sephora points for this one. Yeah, see, I knew it was oil. Yep, it is oil. Okay, I'll just wipe that off my finger. But yeah, I really needed a new makeup remover, so I was like, why not use my points and get this little bad thing, you know? So cute. Like, look at it. So cute. So yeah, I got this. And then I got 2 samples, because, you know, you gotta be extra. And this is the Belief, the True Cream, and this is the like Aqua Bomb. I actually bought this before. I got a sample for my birthday 2-3 years ago. I think it was 3 years ago. I got a sample for my birthday, and then I bought the bigger bottle after that, and then never got another one after that. So then I seen they had this in the sample. I'm like, I just have to get it. And then I also got the Tarte skincare drink of H2O hydrating boosting cream, and I want to try this out. Y'all know, like, I like Tarte, so I just had to get that before I buy the big bottle. And you know, the box is empty. We don't need this thing no more. We don't need it no more. We don't need that. We don't need that. So yeah, so that's my, you know, little unboxing. You know, my little unboxing. They're so loud outside. Like, I know y'all be hating me doing my videos. Don't worry, new location coming soon. That's all I'm saying.